A new floor can change the entire look of a room, and finding that perfect style of flooring for each room in your house is key. But your new floor must be more than just stylish. It's important to consider the needs of your home to ensure that your flooring is the best match for your room and budget. The kitchen is one of the main gathering areas, an increasingly popular kitchen choice, and while it isn't as durable or waterproof as tile, it looks great and can add value to your home. An alternative to hardwood is laminate flooring. Laminate is manufactured to look like real wood but is more resistant to scratches and dents. Another busy room is the living room. The main concern here isn't moisture, but rather